So I was working on my to-do list when I suddenly heard a sound. Couldn't figure out where it was coming from. It was stressing me out. And then all of a sudden, it started getting louder and louder. And then I suddenly heard something from the fridge.
What?
And that's when I saw it. Bhangra Blends with the rhythms.
Jeez.
Here I have two flavours, the Jammin Jamun and the Punchy Pom. No added sugar, real ingredients, and it's Indian inspired. Jammin Jamun has a hint of toasted cumin. It's sweet, sour and bold. And the Punchy Pom, well, that's pomegranate and lemon. That's sweet, tangy, zesty with a little fizz.